Aspirancies, but this one is very unique in the sense that he has worked with some of our brilliant leaders in Nigeria, at the same time with our brother, our leader, Comrade Shomole in Edo State. I think without missing words, he's the only Muslim candidate contesting for the position of the governor of Edo State. Only Muslim aspirant. So we have to regard him very well. Prince Kassim Afegbua, before you have had the introduction of the arrays of people that are here. These are the think tank of APC, of politics in Etsako West. By extension, the think tank of APC in Edo State. So they are here to listen to you. So you are welcome to the APC Secretariat of Etsako West. Thank you.
Sense of organization in this chapter of the APC. And I've seen a remarkable turnout of the executives. It means that the chairman is very much at home with his lieutenants, members, and the executives of the party. I have been on his neck in the last 2 days. I told him, my 4 o'clock is my 4 o'clock. I am not in the tradition of keeping people waiting, because you are doing me a favor by even coming out to see this small boy standing before you. I am running for the position of the governor of Edo State, not as a subsidiary aspirant, but as the main aspirant. So, who is very confident that with your support, you will emerge as a candidate of the party for the 2024 governorship election. I don't have any doubt in my mind that seeing my friends in this your chapter who can vouch for me, I don't think I will have any doubt to say Etsako West will be for Kassim Afegbua. I know quite a number of persons here. We have transacted business, we have related very well. And none of them can tell me or can tell you that this man is a bad man. None. It is very difficult for you to throw a blanket slate about one's character and integrity. But I make bold to say that I'm a lover of people, I'm a lover of good causes, and I pursue them to their logical conclusion. Let me thank you for coming out to see me, to receive me. I appreciate you all. Let me also tell you that we have a huge task on our hands, trying to ensure that the APC takes over the reign of government in Edo State. So, we must put our best foot forward. And without belaboring you on issues of sentiments and political talk, I think I have capacity more than any aspirant I have seen so far. I am not just fearless, courageous, bold. I'm also very rugged and dogged. Don't mind my size. I am that little pepper that can punch you. So, What are we talking about? Edo State. See the challenges confronting us. A state that is receiving so much from the federation account, but so little is getting to the people, and at the end of the day, so much entering the pocket of those who are leading the state presently. Very fantastic, very wonderful. And I'm so humbled by the kind of reception I'm receiving from our people. They already know me, they know the name, but the name resonates in them. And so listening to me speak to them on the issues and the challenges confronting us as a state makes them believe that I have the capacity to lead. And by the time I complete the 18, I'm sure that I might emerge unopposed.
You have about 21 aspirants under the APC. Why do you think you are the most qualified aspirant?
There might be aspirants, there are aspirants, but the people are the one who will decide. And these people know that I've been fighting their battles for long. I've been fighting for this, fighting for that, and all of that. This is now an opportunity for them to also present me to the electorate so that by 2021 we'll make it a smooth sail.
Okay, lastly, what will you have to tell those people, those that are agitating, saying that it is time for Edo Central, looking for zoning?
Well, from the trip we have gone around, the 6 local government, you can see nobody's talking about zoning. I am a candidate of the Edo people. I don't see myself as a candidate from Edo North, from Edo Central, from Edo South. I'm a candidate of the Edo people. I fight my battles not on account of where you come from, but on the issues of development, issues of injustice. I fight those battles. So now the people know that I have capacity to lead them. They know that I have the courage and the boldness, and I'm fearless. So they've been speaking to me. You see the way they are even endorsing me. I'm like thinking, man, this is going to be an easy sale for me. So I'm praying that I become the candidate of the party by February, so that we'll confront whoever PDP or Labour Party or any other party will bring, and we'll talk to the electorates. We understand the electorate, we connect with them, we know them. And so, by the special grace of God, I think I will emerge the candidate of APC in Edo State.